This is for all Infinitis that have a no start condition after you check your battery, your fuel, everything like that. Chances are it could be timing related. Here's one way to check. Just pop the hood. Look for these sensors. These are going to be camshaft sensors. You have one on each bank, a left and a right. So what you want to do is just unplug one side and then go try start the car. And if it starts, you have a timing problem. Usually happens over 100,000 miles when you don't change the oil on time. All of the 3.7 liter Infiniti engines, 370Z engines. I got mine worked on, but I shouldn't have. I should have replaced the whole engine. It's easier just to do that. These engines are about $1,000 anyways. So mine starts now, but it runs poorly, so it needs a new engine.